Welcome to 3S Tint Wrap, your trusted experts in automotive protection and enhancement. At 3S Tint Wrap, we specialize in high-quality car window tinting, ceramic coating, interior coating, and paint protection film, PPF. Our services are designed to keep your vehicle looking stunning and protected, no matter the road conditions. Car window tinting. Enhance privacy, reduce heat, and block harmful UV rays while adding a sleek, stylish look to your ride. Ceramic coating. Provide your car with an ultra-durable protective layer that makes cleaning easier and shields your paint from the elements. Interior coating. Protect your car's interior surfaces, keeping them clean, fresh, and free from stains. Paint protection film, PPF. Guard your car's paint from chips, scratches, and everyday wear and tear, while maintaining a flawless finish. Whether you're looking to protect your investment or elevate your car's aesthetics, we've got you covered. Our expert team uses top-of-the-line materials and offers professional installation to ensure long-lasting results. Contact us today to learn more or schedule an appointment. We're here to help you keep your car looking brand new.